Hello and welcome to the Curious Nerd. So, let's know what is ChatGPT for a student. If you are in school or college or pursuing your degree and whichever stream you may in, it doesn't matter. Because this language model can answer, can suggest, and can do some work for you. If you are a school student, it can generate story, poetry, essay, speech, and it can solve your assignment math problems. For college students, it can generate report for your projects, it can explain you some tough concepts, and it can do coding for you. Yes, you heard right, it can code for you, no matter which language you want. Let's open this. If you don't clear conversation after chat, it'll remember the previous chat and will answer based on previous chat. So let's try and see the results. Let's solve a simple quadratic equation. X squared plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now the AI solves the problem and will generate answer in text. It gives the roots of the given quadratic equation and also explains the solution step by step. That was easy. Let's do some trigonometry. Prove tan of 2a equal to 2 tan off a divided by 1 minus tan square off a. And as expected, it knows the answer. Now it explains the approach of solving the problem, and it also explains what are all the formulas and theorems used to solve the problem step by step. That's good enough. Let's jump into coding. Let's just ask for a simple Java program. Write a Java code to check whether a given string is a permutation of a palindrome or not. See, it instantly started writing the code. If you want, you can also ask to modify the code as you want, and there is also an option to copy the code. Well, that's amazing. That was easy. Let's ask it to write a code to retrieve an image from a website using socket programming. So, write a Python program to retrieve an image from a website using socket programming. You can ask it to write the same code in any other programming language, or you can also ask any other approach to write the code, and you can also ask some explanation for any part of the code. If you don't get something, you can ask the doubt and it'll explain it for you. So let's ask why port number 80 is used in the above code. Whoa, that's cool. It can't be any better than that. Okay, finally how this works, how AI can answer it all. How can this generate text like humans? The answer is language model. This AI is trained on a large set of data. So in next session we learn what is language model, its future, and how it works. Curious Nerd signing off. Thank you.